So now we will see that how you can make your account on the THA Academy and become an affiliate member. So let me quickly start the presentation for that. So this is the website of the Homeopathic Academy. You can see all the courses. You can see the mentor's team, learner's voice. And once you go to the top right corner, you will see the login icon. Once you click on it, you will be asked to create an account. Now here, the credentials needed will be an email ID and a secure password. So we are showing to you a dummy email address. This is how you will enter an email ID and a password. Once the information is entered, you will click on next, and then you will be asked to enter the email address again. Use the same email ID each time you will log in. On address, you can fill in your city or country. And then you will get started. This will be your window. Now on the right, again, you will see my dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Here you can see on right various links, and on the left lower corner there will be an icon. Once you click on it, it will ask you to become an affiliate. You can read the terms and condition. Once you accept, you will click on OK to become the partner. And that's how easy is it to create your window. Now here you can see various options. Once you drop down, once you click on reports, you can see the overview of your activity. The various transactions will reflect here. So you can see the products, channels, and status of each course. Drop down on affiliates, you can see the links. Now this window is very important. All the courses available on the Homeopathic Academy will be shown here. And across each one of them, an unique link will be created with your unique affiliate code. So let's say we copy this link and paste it on a window. The entire information of the course will be available. And here, the highlighted part is your affiliate code, which will be unique for each affiliate member. So hence, whenever you will refer somebody a course, you will promote a course, you will use these links only. So once you click on any link, the detail of the course will be provided with the affiliate code attached to it. Now this code is very important because anybody purchasing the course using this code link, that will be reflected on your dashboard, and hence the reports will reflect the transactions made through it. And this is how eventually your commissions will be made. So on this window, you will see all the transactions done with your code. The entire breakdown will be available here. Since we do not have any information, therefore it is not showing anything. Now, once you go on the affiliates, let's see a link here. The website link at the very top. If you copy this link right here and paste it on a window, the code again will be showing here, but this is a common website link. Let's say if you want to promote a code directly from the website, the difference will be that on the common link, the entire website will be available, but the individual courses, once somebody clicks, will not show the unique codes attached to it. So that's how easy it is. That's how easy it is to create an affiliate account on the Homeopathic Academy. And your job is to become the member with very simple steps of putting an email ID and your other credentials, and your window will be created. Your dashboard will be available on which all the transactions will be reflected. And the whole plan will be to promote different courses, whichever you want to promote. You can research and take a look at each course, and depending on whether you want to promote a beginner level course or an advanced level course, whatever is available on the Homeopathic Academy, you can copy that link from your dashboard reflecting your unique code, and if somebody purchases, you will get some commission of it. So thank you very much. I hope this is very easy, and all the best for your affiliate journey.